But then you are back for another video. Today I have my first book is broke. So my line it came out, so I might be fixing it probably like tomorrow. Cause we tried to fix it this one day and it wouldn't work. Alright, so I've been going fishing. I'm just watching my brother and my friend. I didn't upload in a long time. I didn't upload for like a week. Cause tomorrow no school, so I can stay up like not all night, but like to like 12 o'clock. And look at this. You finna go and catch some fish. See y'all. We're at the lake. Alright. So
Where's the bass?
they look all the bluegill is caught. What's gonna drop my phone in there?
Archie, no.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all probably see them. Hold up. Yeah, y'all probably see them. But
Yo, they almost had the bass.
Yeah.
And I tried to
Y'all caught fish?
Archie, I tried to wiggle it.
Take one out. Take one out. Or to get a fish.
You can have mine. We put some fish. There's
dead?
The dead fish
Let me have it.
in the graveyard.
I'm finna catch some minnows. I'm not gonna catch minnows.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I know how to catch minnows. Heard me sit here? That's what I saw on YouTube.
You can't be vlogging every 5 seconds of your life.
I wasn't.
Yes, you can.
I know, but like, you don't do that. You gotta pause it sometimes in the video.
I
Nobody's
did.
gonna watch an hour-long video of
I
you
did
just,
pause
of
it.
you just saying, I'm about to go fishing.
Oh, he's bleeding. Let's go.
I'm fishing, guys, and
I did pause it.
I'm fishing.
But you can't catch any minnows. You don't have a pole.
Kate, I saw it. Or
Oh, yeah.
either
Oh,
just
shit. I'm on already.
get some bread and put it on your hand and it'll come to your hand and it.
You know,
Yeah.
Buffy had a turtle, and it ate the fish. I had the bass.
You took my whole fish.
Yeah, so
Did you take that from the bucket? Bucket?
You see that from the bucket? Out. Oh. Pull it out. Grab it out.
why is Lorenzo not fishing anymore?
He lost his hook. Alright, I got my bait.
Oh, he doesn't have a hook.
Oh, it came off.
Bait is on.
We're gonna go buy more stuff over the weekend, probably.
I have $50. Look, this is like a little.
Ah! Too close. Oh, then they got hops for days.
Oh, he's been right now.
He's here.
This one's so light. It's like I don't even have anything. You got a small one?
I don't know what to do. We get up morning.
Yo, we might start catching cats now.
True.
This is so light. Oh, I'm on. You on the back? Yeah, I'm on. Yes, I am.
Let me help you. Yo, I'm about to be on.
You getting big?
Yo.
Oh, your fish running. I'm on. Y'all can't hear my line going up. Let's go! Is that what catching your bass?
Look at this.
You on? I
No.
see your fish.
I see what I know, but like.
Yo, he's all the way out there. Watch that pull. He's gonna be all over there. Watch.
Oh gosh, I'm so stupid.
Oh, I'm
See,
trying.
look at this thing. He's be cursed.
I'm really trying to let him swallow so I don't lose him. I don't care how far he is. I don't pull him in. But I'm really trying to let him swallow so I don't lose. Cause I ain't catching no bass today. You know, we could have had like 5 bass if we stayed on. We caught so many, but they already got off.
Like we pulled it in, and the.
Ralphie had one like right here, and that last second, while we pulled back, that thing came. The fish came
fish
flying
like
out.
flew at us.
I'm ready.
To go home?
No, I'm ready to get pulled.
I'm ready to put this hook on a little bit. Oh, the fancy. I'm getting done looking like that. That's the fish. No.
He's running from something. Yo, the bass is all the way out there.
No, pull it in.
From the
I don't know
home.
if
Yeah.
Where's your line?
All the way out there.
Where?
No, still more lines on now. RJ. Hey, yo. Look at me. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I got a bass on.
You put a hook on the rentals?
No.
Hold on.
Y'all phone want some fish?
If y'all want some fish, you could subscribe and hit the like button.
Y'all got a bass on right here. Yo, he's all the way over there. I swear to God.
No, pull it in.
You guys are in the way.
He's not.
Yo, look how far he is.
Oh, he can't go that fast.
Oh, wait, no, he's here.
No, it's here. You don't have it.
Y'all won't go over there because last time you said I'm gonna cut that big here. You remember down there?
I had the back.
Are you not playing with you no more?
There's a
No.
back
Why?
right there.
She got off?
Yeah.
Or she's still on?
It's so long. I got it.
I'm about to leave.
Are you your friends, bro?
Yo, sister, you crossed mine.
Yo, we all got fishes. Yo, I'm. Oh, yeah,
No, you better shut up.
I've been got me.
You like some fish, RJ?
Go. I've been got me a blue
RJ,
gill.
keep your phone up. Get
A
it
fish
up.
is gonna jump out and. Look at all those fish. I forgot we had those fish. No.
Yeah. I'm gonna say some GTA Fortnite. Come on, RJ.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, that hurt.
From a hole.
Who's that?
Soap. That's that girl that means she shows us last night.
You like it?
No.
He dead.
He been dead.
I'm not gonna put him in the cemetery because I'm.
Yes.
Yo, still trying. Why are you on cemetery?
Because I don't know if he's dead or not.
I want to see how much it costs. I want to smack it so hard.
Man, I'm kicking this thing so hard. This bucket. Get out of the way,
Wait,
everybody.
not yet. Wait, how
Yo.
my fish came off. So.
3.
Wait, not yet.
Wait.
I want to see how much fish are in there.
Don't push it.
Wait, no. I'm going to go like this. I want to
From
see
a
how much.
hole under. Dude, this might be the end of the video. It was 7 minutes. That's good, right? Yeah, so.
It's already dead.
Yeah, I want to see how much I can grab.
No.
No!
Yo, sincere.
I told you.
Sincere.
Oh, get it in my
What the heck?
mouth,
What the heck? Y'all got in the video. Look what just happened.
Sincere. We don't want the fish.
We got to end the video. Bye.
Sincere.